Everyone wants to start big, but big starts are rare.
The truth is, everything legendary began with less. A smaller idea, fewer resources, but massive belief.
What matters is not how much you start with, but that you start at all.
Most people wait for perfect timing, but data shows perfection is the biggest killer of progress.
Progress doesn't start big, it starts now. In business, in fitness, in creativity.
Waiting builds fear. Starting builds confidence.
Those who begin small are 5 times more likely to build sustainable results within 3 years.
Why? Because small action builds momentum, and momentum compounds. When you begin, you learn. When you wait, you guess. Small starts create feedback, and feedback improves direction. A single step today gives you more data than months of planning. Big goals need small beginnings, because progress is a process, not an event.
The more you do, the more you know, and the faster you grow.
Why small works? Starting small keeps you flexible. You can test, adjust, and refine before scaling.
Big plans can trap you in fear of failure, but small steps let you fail safely and recover quickly.
Think of success as an experiment. Each small test gets you closer to what truly works.
Those micro wins add up to something powerful. Amazon began as an online bookstore in a garage. Canva started with just 3 minutes and a simple design tool. Netflix mailed DVDs before streaming existed.
The pattern is clear. You don't need everything to begin, you need consistency to grow. Psychologists call it the small wins effect. When your brain experiences a small success, it releases dopamine, motivating you to keep going. Each micro win builds momentum. That's how habits form, and how big results are built quietly, one step at a time. Here's how to start small and grow fast. Step 1. Start where you are, not where you wish to be. Step 2. Take one meaningful action daily. Step 3. Measure progress weekly, not perfection. Step 4. Improve 1% every day. That's the simple, scientific formula for growth. Small actions, done consistently, multiplied over time. You'll never be fully ready, and you don't need to be. Every expert was once a beginner. Every success wave began with a single decision. Start with less. Start now. Because the best time to begin was yesterday, and the second best time is today. This is WealthSphere 3D, bringing you insights that inspire growth, consistency, and success. Don't wait to have more. Start with what you have, and build from there.